All right, y'all, this is going to be a mixed bag of a grocery haul. I did go to Aldi, but I went to a lot of other stores and got a few things, and then I had something delivered. So I'll show you what I got. I stopped at, it's not a farm stand, but it's a local store in our area. All right, y'all, I'm going to start over here. I got some raw milk here. I got some pork sausage. I know Doug loves hot sausage, and I thought we would try that and see if it's any good. I've heard lots of good things about Hunter liver mush, so it better be for $3.57. So I thought, it's Mother's Day weekend. I'm going to splurge a little bit, and we'll see how good that is. So I'm going to try that. I got a tomato, pretty large tomato. I got a head of cabbage for 99¢. I think we're going to have a cookout this weekend. I got strawberries. This was a gallon for, I think, $20. So I splurged a little bit. And I also got these cantaloupes, I almost called a watermelon, for $2.29 for two. So it's two for $3 basically. I don't like cantaloupes, but Doug does. So I got a couple of those. And maybe the boys will like them. And I got, okay, that is all for my local store. So that was $42. It was a little pricey, but like I said, I'm going to splurge a little bit for this weekend. Now, this is Aldi. Y'all, I got these spare ribs 50% off. I couldn't believe it. There was two. I should have got two, but I got the cheapest one, and it was $10.49. So that was $5.25. So it's grilling time, so I got those. I wish I would have got the other one. Kick myself for it. But they had these chicken thighs on sale. I got them last grocery haul. So I got some more because they were $1.59 a pound and way cheaper than Walmart. And they also had a smaller pack, but they were more per pound. So I got those. Did I mention the sausage? I got Doug some sausage. I think they used to have hot, but they don't anymore. So I just got that one. And I got some sweet potatoes. I've been craving some sweet potatoes. I got some sweet corn. It's 50¢ a can, so it's cheaper than Walmart. I think these are $2.39. I think this was $2.39, something like that. This was $7.31. Colby Jack was $1.99. That duck out there quacking. These were on sale for $1.29. I think they were $1.39, so I just went ahead and got two because I always like to get stocked up with that. White mushrooms are on sale for $1.29. These were on sale for $2.29, so I found one with 2 red peppers in it, so that's a good deal. Those were on special. I got some of these cheese tortellinis. Those were $1.85. I figured they'd be a quick lunch. I got these snack sausages. I've already been in them because I went walking this morning and I'm starving. So I opened that, and I also opened the granola. So that's a granola protein, oats and honey. And I got a can of my drinks. I like these because they don't have natural flavors in there. Everything has natural flavors for some reason. I don't want natural flavors because they're not really natural. So I got those. And I got these tortilla chips because I still have some pico from the other day from my cookout video. Or no, my Cinco de Mayo. So I'm going to eat that. And I've got an avocado. So I'm going to make some more guacamole because it was so good together. So that's all I got from Aldi, and it was $35. Pretty sure. If it's wrong, I'll flash it up on the screen, but it was something like that. Thought that wasn't too bad, especially with 2 meats. So that's what I got from Aldi. I got a couple plants from Ace Hardware. This zucchini plant was huge, so the other ones that I've got are kind of small, so I thought I'll just pick that up. It was, I think, like $3.30 for both of these, and these were okra. One was missing, so I made sure to let her know that there was one missing. But each one of them has 2 plants. And I cannot get my okra to grow. I guess my seeds are old, so I just went ahead and got that. And then this is what I got from Walmart, and it was delivered. And this was it's multi-cat, but we only have 1 cat. But I tried the other ones, and I think this one has no smell to it. This one, I think, is the best that I've found so far because I think it's Tidy Cat. I could smell it even when there was nothing in it. It just had a smell to it that I could smell 24/7. So I like this one. This is the second time I bought it, so hopefully this will be the one we're going to buy from now on. So this is all I got today. I spent the morning. I cleaned up in here, and then I went to walk and got a lot of stuff done and got some groceries. And now I'm going to pick up my grandkids from school. and bring them back here and we'll have lunch. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in the next video.